Hey guys, Locks and Load here. I'm here to let you guys know there's an awesome deal going on right now at www.21sportsapparel.com. They are selling Glock Polymer 80 lowers for $150, and if you buy them now, you get the lower parts kit for free. So you get the Glock Polymer 80 frame and the lower parts kit for free if you order it now before January 10th. Also going on at the same time, he's doing a deal on his custom slides and complete slide kits. If you want to buy those for your Glock Polymer 80 lower kits, or if you already have a Glock frame and you want a custom slide job or a custom slide made, right now is the time to get it, guys. It's on sale. And also, if you've already thought that was a good deal, if you use the code LocsNLoad, you get an extra 15% off. So guys, swing by 21sportsapparel.com before January 10th. Make sure you buy something. Use the code LocsNLoad in the box. Get your 15% off. And support 21sportsapparel.com. They got a lot of great stuff. I bought some stuff. I got some things coming in. You guys will see on the channel. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, guys, I'll put the link in the description box below. And make sure you check them out. Locks and Load out.